Brace yourselves. A winter storm is coming in hot. Well, cold actually. A winter storm warning is in effect from midnight tonight through 9 p.m. Wednesday for parts of west central Illinois and central and northeast Missouri. Areas like Quincy, Hannibal, Columbia, and Mexico, Missouri could see 4 to 7 inches of snow. Central Illinois isn't off the hook either. From 6 a.m. Wednesday to 3 a.m. Thursday, Peoria, Galesburg, and Jacksonville can expect 5 to 7 inches. Travel will be treacherous, especially during morning and evening commutes. Rapid snow accumulation means reduced visibility and slick roads. Motorists, pack those emergency kits. Food, water, and flashlights are a must. For the latest road conditions, Illinois residents can check www.gettingaroundillinois.com, and Missouri travelers should visit traveler.modot.org or call 1-888-275-6636. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay warm.